Assalamu alaikum, welcome all viewers and listeners. I hope you will fine and feel fresh. Remember one thing before starting the video, if you are my channel, so please subscribe it and bell the notification, press the notification bell icon so that to receive the upcoming videos notification to you people. So in previous videos, 3 or 4 videos we have done well, and in that videos you might have get something really very important. In today's lecture I'm going to tell you something extra that is about inside the feature tags, like what I have to do is lofted boss base, extruded cut, and something extra. How can I do lofted boss base? For example, select a front plane, make it normal, and now make it isometric, and just press and control key by taking copy of it. Okay, sorry, this is something like 102. Okay, fully defined. Now let me draw something on this plane, make it normal. Let me draw a circle on this plane. Okay, exit sketch, sorry, sketch exit. Right now this on this plane I want to sketch a rectangle right now. Okay, and exit sketch and lofted boss base, just over here. My profile is one of my profile is this one, and the second one is this one. So in this way, how can you use the lofted boss base command? So in this case, both of the planes are parallel. Maybe sometimes you might done with the perpendicular planes, and this plane is perpendicular to this one, and you have made something on this plane. So in this case, in that case, you will get something different from this. Okay, now okay, let me hide this plane, let me hide this plane, let me hide this one and this one as well. Now come to sketch and select a front plane, make it normal. Okay, and what I'm going to show you is actually I'm going to show you the extruded cut command. Let's suppose I have made, you can assign the dimension as well. This must be 100. Okay, and just extruded up to 50. Okay, and you can actually see an isometric view. This is okay, and this plane or in this surface, on this surface I want to make something like a polygon, hexagon, and in this case I want to extrude this one, sketch plane and line, and through all, or in this case you can select through all both. Okay, okay, so this is something you have extruded cut. So the portion that you want to cut it out of any profile, you can use this command. Let me hide this one and let me draw another thing on the plane, sketch, make it normal, make a rectangle this time. Okay, and extruded boss base 50 is enough. Now okay, now in features I want to advanced hole, and I want to insert a hole So here you can assign the position, type, this one, just flip the direction. Okay, so right now I have made a hole inside, so this is something like you can make a hole. And the next thing that is really important, let me show. Hide this one, select a plane, make it normal, and I'm going to show you how we can use the sweep cut. Okay, something revolution, but this is quite different from the revolution. In this case I will revolve a profile along a certain path, but the profile will be cut out of the certain region. Like how? Let me draw a circle, assign the dimension, let me, this is 100, extruded both ways, let this is 50. Okay, you can see actually an isometric view. Now right now I want, what I should to do is actually I will select a plane that is no right plane, make it normal, and what I'm going to show you is actually I will draw a circle of something like this. Okay, right now I'm going to select a center line and that as okay, center line right now, and exit sketch. Right now I will come and feature and sweep cut, and it wants me the profile and sorry, sweep cut is not used, but the revolve cut is used. Okay, the revolve cut is used for this. This is okay and okay. Once I click OK, and now actually you can see okay. I selected the wrong again. Let me open another new part. Let me choose the front plane, make a sketch, draw a circle, assign the dimension, okay, extrude it both ways, let assign it up to 40. Okay, now right now select a plane, right plane, and make it normal, make a sketch, and that I'm going to select like this, and center line, actually okay. Now come to feature and revolve cut. Okay, right now actually you can see what does it mean and how can so with me isometric view, select this plane, make a sketch, make it normal, draw a circle over here, draw another circle. Okay, right now what I should do is actually I'm going to extruded cut, but here select counters, the portion that you want to extrude it as this one. Okay, no, sorry, clear the section and select this region, and here select through all. Okay, so right now actually you can see this one. So this is how you can use the Revolve Cut command. Okay, so I hope you understand, and in next video I will try to learn something more. Let me hide the part. So if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. Wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.